Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flicker Brain. If this is your first time on this channel and you're interested in learning how to load your AdSense account and receive your money safely without any issues of ad limit, suspension or ban, you can quickly come over here and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop a video on this channel, you'll quickly get notified. Okay, so you can see the last video I made on this channel over here. I'm going to drop an update on this video and I'll show you guys what we have done so far on this account this month. Okay, so let me log into the AdSense account, and today I will explain to you guys, for those of you that have been asking me how I make use of my cookies to increase my CPC, because many of you have been saying that you generate cookies, by the time you use the cookies to work, your CPC don't get high. So pay attention and stay tuned to the end of this video so that you understand the real core value of making your CPC high with your cookies. Okay, so first of all, you can see what we have done so far on this account. You can see what was balanced on the account for this month. This is $21,000 that was balanced on the account, and I'll also be showing you guys other accounts in my next video. Okay, you can see what we also did so far this month, and you can see what we have done today. This account is an account that has a little bit of organic traffic. It's just small organic traffic, because the organic traffic has dropped. Before, it has organic traffic of around $1,000, 1,000 page views daily, but the traffic has dropped. So it's around, I get normally around 500 to 600 daily organic traffic. So, but everything you're seeing here is fully automated process. You can see the CPC, that my CPC is high. Now, for those of you that are complaining about your cookies not increasing your CPC, let me tell you the reason your cookies not increasing your CPC. The core reason your cookies are not increasing your CPC is because you don't spend time on those cookies. When I mean spend time, I don't mean 1 hour to 2 hours. Cookies, if you spend 1 hour to 2 hours on cookie, that means that cookie doesn't have real user history. That's not real user history. And some of you don't create your cookies with Gmail accounts. Most of you just create your cookies like that. You just log in, create cookies, create such different high keywords, and export it and put it in and start working. No, make sure you make use of emails to generate your cookies. And when I mean spend time on your cookies, you need to spend at least 12 hours. And now these cookies, many of you generate these cookies manually by yourself. That's why you cannot spend up to like 1 hour to 2 hours in generating the cookies, or spend longer in generating these cookies. So I work with a mini bot that generates cookies for me. It generates cookies every day. I use those cookies to work. Every day it generates cookies. So the bot is always active, generating cookies with emails, generating cookies with emails. So that's why it's more easier for me to get good quality cookies and keep working with it every day. Now, for those of you that already have my service, you're already working with my mentorship, come to my DM so that I'll give you the bots that helps in generating those cookies. So that, and don't worry, you're not going to pay for it. Just write me and I'll provide it for you. Okay? Now, if you're a first timer on this channel and you're interested in knowing how everything here is done, if you check in the link in the description box, you're going to see a contact info there. You can reach out to me and we can talk more. Okay? Now, for those of you that have huge accounts for partnership, yes, I'm still open for partnership this month. I don't have a lot of accounts on my hands, so you can, if you're coming this month for partnership, you can still bring your accounts, and I will select from the ones that are available and choose the ones I will work with. Okay, so that we can share money. All right. So, by the way, if you're interested in how this works, mind you, you can check in the link in the description box to reach out to me. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.